Hello, children. Happy Monday. So, this week, if you have not already been prepped, we have actually a short week in terms of core classes. We're spending much of this week with our home base doing some winter fun before we take 2 weeks off. So, what we're going to do this week is really focus on just our one live class that we have and a little bit of independent work on Monday, which is today. So today at 11:30, I will be in the live support for you. Please come hang out / do some work with me. On this day, your goal is to really make sure that you've recorded your Flipgrid speech and that it sounds great. After you've recorded your Flipgrid speech on Flipgrid, you're going to leave a grow and a glow for a peer. That means that you are going into your class period, clicking your speeches, and then you are finding a peer, watching their video, and leaving comments like these geniuses. Your comment needs to include both a specific great thing and a space for improvement. Now, please do not leave the comment, "You did a great job. I really liked your speech." That's not going to get you the credit for leaving a comment. It needs to be specific and it needs to actually include both positive feedback on a specific thing and constructive criticism for something they can improve upon in the future. Once you've done that, you're going to go back to finishing your Edgenuity work for the week. That is the setting goals, evaluating a speech, lesson, and quiz. Those are due this week. On Thursday and Friday, I will not see you for live class because we have home base fun times. So this is a great space to turn in any late work if you have any. Here's what we're going to get graded on this week: our setting goals lesson and our setting goals quiz. Now, you are getting graded on your Flipgrid speech, but that grade showed up in the gradebook last week, and that's why it's not listed again. Yes, you are also going to get live participation points and extra credit if you choose to come to tutoring or live support on Mondays. So if you have any questions, please email me. And let's make sure that we go into winter break strong so that we don't have any homework to do over the break. That means check your actual grade in Schoology. Look at what you are missing with the zeros or the orange hexagons. And as always, let me know if you have done any late work that needs grading or if you have any questions that I can help you with. Have a great day, and I will see you guys in class.